Good evening, everyone. I am Julina Galiares, and I am here today to discuss the computer system. Computer casing. Computer casing, also known as computer cases or enclosure, serve multiple functions. They play a crucial role in cooling, protection, statics, and even performance. History of computer case design. In early days, cases were purely functional, with large boxy design made of heavy materials like steel. As nowadays, technology advanced, cases became smaller, efficient, and customizable. Like, for example, you can have your own design. 1990 as the rise of big tower cases, while 2000 introduced sleek black and silver design. Evolution of cases over time. Computer cases has evolved significantly over the years. Early cases were blocky, focused on durability. Today, modern cases features tempered glass panel. Type of computer cases. There are several types of computer cases, catering to different needs. Full tower, mid tower, mini ITEX, small form factor, open air cases. Material used in PC cases. Computer cases are made from various materials like strong and affordable but heavier aluminum, lightweight and premium but more expensive, tempered glass, static and durable but prone to fingerprint. Steel versus aluminum, which is better? Steel cases are popular due to avoid durability and strength, provide good durability but can be quite heavy, while aluminum cases are lightweight and have better heat dissipation. Tempered glass versus acrylic panels. Many modern cases feature slide panels made of either tempered glass or acrylic. The role of plastic in budget PC cases. Many modern cases. The role of plastic in budget PC cases. Plastic is often used in budget cases to reduce and cut costs and create affordable option. Airflow and cooling in PC cases. Proper airflow is crucial in a PC case to maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. How case design affect heat management. Cases with mesh panels and proper ventilation allow better airflow, while solid panels may restrict cooling. Liquid cooling versus air cooling. Air cooling uses force and heat sink to support that heat. Liquid cooling uses coolant and radiators for efficient heat transfer. RGB lighting, aesthetic versus functionality. Lighting is a popular feature in modern PC builds, while aesthetic it does not contribute to performance. Cable management features in PC cases. PC cases with good capable management make it easier to route cables needed, improving airflow and aesthetics. So this is the end of my discussion. Thank you.